morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday morning, so it is the start of the weekly vlog. Hi,
the days of the week are Sunday, Monday.
It's the
Tuesday.
first day of the weekly vlog.
Some did a panic, so I tell her say the days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Awesome.
Sunday.
So we are done.
So yes, guys, it's kind of dark because it's dark outside still, even though it's after 6, but we are ready and raring to go. We are going to you know, you're the worst. We're going to Kingston to the National Arena. We have JBU General Assembly today, and we are going. And me and my ugly sister over there, we are both wearing pink. The outfit. I have on this peplum blouse with this pants, and I'm gonna put on my heels. Yes. Show me your outfit. Get up now. So she have on the dress, so she's the girl version of moi.
Design made from Little Angelique Collections.
Woo!
Check her out.
Woo, 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 woo! Is that the same place my blouse is from? Okay, so we're wearing Little Angelique's collection today.
Only the good shepherd's blood will suffice. For there is power in the blood. So take my advice.
Water rage and the billow begins to blow. See the blessed rock of ages will speak peace to our soul. You see, the world is changing. He will hold us in his arms, so safe and so reverent, and we'll find a shelter.
Anyways, hi guys.
Church done.
Yeah, church done for now. We're going to have lunch. If we can't get no food.
Rice, I'm gonna give you chicken. I can't go KFC.
Hey guys, so we have met up with
was like
Nikki.
so pissed.
Actually, it tastes like chocolate.
Then we talk about ice cream. You know
we're
how the
going
thing
to
go?
get one.
And
Yes, we're going to buy ice cream.
Single scoop and oh my god, double scoop.
You seriously so pepper?
Kyle.
Yes, guys. So we are
No,
just
as in,
And it
because
hanging.
of fear
1,000.
mistake, we think gonna need to pay for.
$1,800.
Really?
For the two ice cream.
It's not that bad. You pay for blouse more than that. And a
That's a
can't
blouse.
eat.
If you're just joining
If you're
us,
just joining us, welcome to the family vlog. This is Shirley.
Shirley.
I'm Cunningham.
And you barely know.
I know.
And I'm gonna wrap that away. Let me check out your finger.
So this is where we went to church today, the National Arena. And she has to be in the shop, don't you?
Oh, I love my bed and my mama.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. We got Romaria's and ice cream.
But this girl decided to leave her slipper.
Hi. Shakay them.
Me want that
Oh.
uncle be down.
Shan. Hey guys, welcome back. It is Tuesday, but we're getting holiday.
Before them, verse 3b, before them the land is like the Garden of Eden. Imagine the Garden of Eden, beautiful and luscious. But behind them, a desert waste. Nothing escapes them. So, we are looking at everything that is good and perfect. No. But the army is coming to get rid of all of that. What is good and perfect? No. You have a beautiful family. Your once beautiful family can be broken tomorrow. Or is broken now. Your once beautiful marriage, if I know say your husband cheat on you. Right? Your once healthy body is now cancer ridden. These are the armies that are attacking us. The house of the Lord, where we come to worship, is a battlefield. Your peaceful workplace has become hostile. You don't want to go to work. What is your army, Jamaica land that we love and want to live, work and raise families? We don't love it anymore. We want to run away. Go to another country because everybody killing everybody and I don't want that. What is your army?
Because we belong to God, we know, as the psalmist declares, surely goodness and mercy shall follow me. Follow you, yes, all the days of your life. I know who I am. I belong to God. And He belongs to me. Because we are owned by God, we belong to God, we will forever be with God. Not true? Yeah, man.
Thursday. So yesterday we basically did mostly church. So all the vlogs and clips from yesterday was basically me at church. So we had united fasting at my church. So that's what you guys saw. Today I'm on a midterm break. So basically I don't have anything to do. So I'm gonna braid my hair. You guys will see that video. I just washed my hair and now I'm going to dry my hair. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm at camp. Yeah, my dad camp. Let me show you guys where I'm staying. This is my living area. Got my I got 2 mattress because we got a lot, so I got 2 in a bag. And that's it. So this is where I'll be staying for 2 nights. So basically this is a math camp, so we're here for the weekend. So yeah. Math camp. The time is so leaky because there is a frost. And yes, and I also got a new